Yo, what's going on everyone? Ignacio here. Hope you guys are having a good day today. Today we have a special guest, Rizu, and in this video we packed for Europe for the month of September. We actually went to 11 countries in total for 30 days.
So what we did was actually take one backpack and put both of our things in there, and we had another bag that was a camera bag that I had to carry, and it only had camera equipment in it, and it actually weighed more than the big book bag. So I don't recommend doing this. I think everyone should just take their own backpacks and not share one bag.
Alright, so first we're gonna start off with our airport outfits.
I usually take a big t-shirt.
And I just take a wicking shirt.
I brought leggings.
And I brought sweatpants.
I just took a cardigan.
And I just take a nice cozy sweater.
But I ended up buying a sweater over there.
Make sure to bring comfortable socks.
And we both brought rain jackets. So for tops, I brought around 3 different blouses and 1 t-shirt.
And I just brought 2 polos, 2 t-shirts, and a couple of wicking shirts. Alright, so I try to cover all occasions, and these are my jeans.
And I took leggings and shorts.
And I took some dress pants and some khaki shorts, followed by some training shorts.
So the rest of mine were all dresses. I took about 3 dresses, and I also had a pair of sweatpants that I had to buy over there. So for shoes, I took some Vans, but I do recommend running shoes.
And I did take some comfortable shoes, so no problems here.
And I took my yoga sling sandals.
And I took some shower sandals that we kind of both use.
So this is our underclothes, like our socks, underwear, and bras, and these are our fast drying towels. So next is our toiletries, and these are the ones we share. So sunblock, toothpaste, a bar of soap, face wash, floss, and our body scrub.
So that's my toothbrush that we don't share. And also make sure to bring some Germix with you. That's my body spray. And that's some of the hairspray that I use. And in that I take my shampoo, and in the other one I take my body wash. And of course bring some nail clippers. And that's my deodorant that I use.
So that's my toothbrush and my deodorant, also my shampoo, conditioner, and hair cream. I took my nail clips and my tweezers, and I took a little bit of makeup, my chapstick, and I also took a month's worth of pads and panty liners. And that's his chapstick and my razor. I also brought a little bag of jewelry, my hair clips and hair ties, a hand lotion, and face cream.
So make sure to bring some medicine, that's really important, and I would recommend bringing some ibuprofen.
I'm allergic to that, so I take my own, that's acetaminophen, and we also take allergy pills that we share.
And that's a Brita water bottle that we use to filter out water from wherever we're at, which always comes in clutch.
I have a water bottle too, and I also take a first aid kit, and we bring some vitamin C packets as well. For extras, I usually bring a purse.
And that's my travel carrying case where we both keep our passports.
And also we keep our important documents in a sheet protector.
And make sure to bring a hat because that comes in handy too.
And we also bring a reusable bag to put food or groceries in.
So the reason we do this is because a lot of countries in Europe and other countries around the world, they don't use plastic bags. So everyone normally just uses reusable bags to carry their groceries or whatever they bought.
And we also bring trash bags to put dirty clothes or dirty shoes. So we did want to mention that it's better to pack for all seasons. I ended up having to buy a few clothing items over there because it was too cold. And even if you go in one certain month, all the countries are going to have different temperatures. And they're going to be in different seasons sometimes. So it's better to just be prepared for everything.
We obviously didn't show any of our electronics like our phones and our chargers, but most of that stuff was put into my camera bag, so stay tuned for that video. From this experience, we learned that it's better to pack separate than together. One of the things that we ran into was separation issues and also weight issues, since the camera bag weighed more than the bag that I was carrying, which only had clothes. So that's it for this video. Hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, make sure to give this video a like, and also stay tuned for more videos like this, so make sure to subscribe. Also, If you don't mind following me on Instagram at Nacho Travel, that would be really cool of you. And with all that out of the way, we'll catch you guys later. Peace.